In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP LaserJet M140w or WE with your Android smartphone or Android tablet. I'll show you how to connect, how to print, and also how to scan. So let's get started. The first step is to go on the control panel of your printer and make sure that the printer is in pairing mode. The printer needs to be turned on and the Wi-Fi button should be blinking blue. This way you know that it's in pairing mode. If it's not blinking blue, like mine right now, all you have to do is to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button until the power button over here starts blinking. Then you can lift your finger from these buttons. So let's do it. I'm pressing both of them and looking at the power button. Okay, it starts blinking. I can lift my finger. Now wait around 3 minutes. The printer will restart, will power back on, and at the end, only the Wi-Fi button will blink and it will mean that it's in pairing mode. Meanwhile, okay, go on your Android phone or tablet, go on the Google Play Store and search for the HP Smart app. Go ahead and download it. As you see here, the printer has the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, which means that it's ready to pair. So open the app you just downloaded. Then on the main page of this app, you should get Add Printer. Click on it. Click on New Printer. Select Wi-Fi and press Continue. Press Continue once again. And over here, you should see the name of your printer appearing. Tap on it. And now we have to enter the Wi-Fi password of your Wi-Fi network. If it's not this network that is yours, click on Change Network. Then press Continue. At this step, they will ask you to press the Wi-Fi button once, so the setup continues on your phone. Press Continue. If you get this error message, don't worry, press Exit Setup. And I don't know how, but your printer will still be added to the app. You'll have finished setup over here, but you do not have to press on it. Next step, okay, is to go over here, and this is how you're going to interact with your printer mostly, if you want to print or to scan. Unfortunately, you absolutely need to have an HP account to use any of the features available on the app itself. If you want to print without being logged into HP account, you can do so. Okay, this is something possible. You won't be able to scan without an HP account, but to print, yes. You just have to exit the app and open any files that is on your phone that you'd like to print. Let's say I want to print this document. I'll press the 3 dots on the top right corner, select Print. On top here, select your printer. Insert some paper, and now you just have to press the print button here. Alright, so we got a result. Now let me show you how to use the scanner. Open the scan lid, place your document facing down like this with the top part towards the left side, and now we have to align this corner of the document with the corner of the printer. So simply bring both until they're touching. Like that. Now close the scan lid, open the HP Smart app. In the main menu, click on Printer Scan. On top, click here and make sure that these settings are appropriate with whatever you want to scan. So select the page size, source, leave it like this. Resolution by default, it's 200 dpi, and I think it's enough for most things. If you want more details, select 300 dpi, and you have color or black and white. Go back and press Scan when you're done. Usually it takes at around 12 seconds to have the scan ready on your phone. Then you'll get a screen that looks like this one. It will try to highlight a certain portion of your scan, thinking this is what you wanted to scan, and only what's in this square, in the blue square, will get saved. Unfortunately, many times it gets it wrong, like here. You can press Full, so the full thing will get saved. Press Next. And now we have a few options. For example, if you have a document of multiple pages, let's say 6 pages, and you want to combine them in one single PDF document, in this case, go ahead, place your next page over here, and then tap Add. You can scan multiple pages and you will all see them on this screen. You can also rotate the page in case you made a mistake. You can also delete the page if you press these 3 dots and click Delete. Or you can, over here, print preview. This means that you'll be able to print whatever you have scanned. You can share on social media, email, stuff like that. Shortcuts, don't touch this. And we have Save. If you press Save, you can rename this file to anything you wish. Okay, and then select what file type you'd like to save it in. Again, if you have multiple pages, and you want to save them in one document, select PDF instead of JPEG. Press Save and you'll be able to save it on your smartphone memory. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some ink cartridges, paper, or even a brand new printer. You support my channel this way. And don't forget to leave a comment. See you in the next one.